We've spent the entire course exploring the features of Azure DevOps. Given that Microsoft also owns GitHub, you might be curious about what GitHub has to offer in the realm of DevOps. Both are powerful platforms designed to support the software development lifecycle, but they cater to slightly different needs and audiences. GitHub Actions enables CI/CD automation, allowing you to build, test, and deploy your code directly from GitHub. This is comparable to Azure Pipelines. GitHub Projects offers project management features to organize and track your work with Kanban boards and task lists. In Azure DevOps, this would be the Azure Boards feature. GitHub Packages allows for easy hosting and managing of project dependencies. In Azure, this would be Azure Artifacts. GitHub Issues facilitates tracking bugs, tracking enhancements, and tracking tasks with a robust issue tracking system. Azure Boards offers an equivalent feature for project management and issue tracking. GitHub Codespaces provides a cloud-based development environment, ensuring consistency and flexibility in your workflow. Microsoft previously offered Visual Studio Codespaces, a similar service which has since been integrated into GitHub Codespaces. GitHub security tools help you identify and fix vulnerabilities in your code. Azure DevOps offers GitHub Advanced Security for Azure DevOps, which provides a suite of security features similar to those found in GitHub Security. GitHub Discussions fosters community engagement and collaboration through threaded conversations. Azure Boards includes discussion capabilities similar to GitHub Discussions. Lastly, GitHub Repos serves as the core of your project in GitHub. This has become the go-to for version control and collaboration due to its seamless integration with other development tools, extensive community support, and powerful features like pull requests, branch management, and code review capabilities. This is akin to Azure Repos. Let's look at some of the GitHub services in more detail. I'll start with GitHub Actions. It has features like workflows for automating tasks like building, testing, and deploying code. It has actions, of course, which are the reusable units of code that perform specific tasks within the workflow. There's the secrets part. GitHub Actions has ability to manage your secrets for storing sensitive information like API keys and passwords. There's a marketplace, which is a repository of pre-built actions created by the community and GitHub. And then there's something called matrix builds in GitHub Actions, which lets us run jobs in parallel with different configurations. In GitHub Projects, there's project management through Kanban-style boards. There's integration with issues. You can link a GitHub issue to the project board for seamless task tracking. And of course, there's automation. You can automate issue movements across columns in the boards based on triggers. GitHub Packages. This is for package management. You can host and manage packages for various languages, including NPM, Maven, NuGet, and Docker. It, of course, integrates with GitHub repositories for easy publishing and consumption of packages. Then there is security and access control. Manage permissions and use GitHub security features to control access. One of my favorite features in GitHub, there's so many, but I like this one a lot, is GitHub Codespaces. It is a cloud-based development environment that can be set up instantly. It can be customized with pre-configured environments, either from the community or from your company or your team. These can be tailored specifically to your project needs. What that means when you start up the code base, it's set up the way you want. And it supports collaboration, shared development environments with team for collaborative coding. GitHub Issues supports issue tracking. That can be tracking bugs, tracking enhancements, or tracking tasks to be managed or completed. It supports labels and milestones. These are ways of organizing and prioritizing issues. It also has templates. Use issue templates to standardize reporting. GitHub offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to various aspects of the software development lifecycle, including continuous integration and continuous deployment, project management, package management, development environments, issue tracking, community engagement, security, and analytics. These tools are designed to integrate seamlessly with GitHub repositories, providing a cohesive and efficient workflow for developers.